Hello everyone, this is Sama back again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a campaign and extract the audience or people who commented on a particular video advertisement on Facebook and send them the sequence of messages or friend requests. So let's get started and create a campaign, and this time around I will be choosing Facebook video comments. For this I will be going to Facebook and find my video URL. So for example, this video on Facebook, if I click on the timestamp, I will get this video URL. So I can copy the URL and then paste in the field, and then I can go next. So make sure that your URL has this word watch so that it's a correct video URL. And then next I will be choosing either I want to send them the friend request or the sequence of messages. I'll be choosing message sequence, and then my burner Facebook account. Daily limit, I can filter by location, and then by gender, and I obviously don't want to send the messages to people who already have a conversation with me. Next, I will be writing the message sequence. The first message simple as hi, the second one after 1 day, how are you today? So I'll just keep it to message and then save my campaign. So now that campaign has started, it will go on Facebook and try to look for the people who commented on this post using your primary account, obviously. And then once it finds the profiles together, while it's finding the profile, it will also send them the message sequence. So I'll pause this video here and we'll be back shortly after it has scanning, because it can take about 10 minutes, as you know. Okay, on this campaign you can see that it started scanning the people who commented on this video. It could be an advertisement as well, and it has sent the messages to one people. And you can also see messages queue, what messages are going to be sent next and at what time. So that's it from this video, and see you in the next one.